Just thought I'd show a recording here of the installation of my Coolmaster Sidon 120M, in case anybody would like to see how the installation looks on a SG13 case. So basically you can see the direction that the fan is facing out, with the radiator behind it. And in the installation video for this cooler, they said you want your coolant lines at the bottom of your cooler, and just have it wrap up and down back to the cooler. Hope that helps anybody who spends 10-15 minutes trying to figure this out like I did.